Hey guys, welcome back to my video series on solving all of LeetCode's problems. Now we're going for not this one because I'm not a premium user. Going to Excel sheet column title. Given an integer column number, return its corresponding column title as it appears in an Excel sheet. Okay, so 1 must be A, 28 is AB. Okay, let's fire VS Code for that. Directory 168 Excel sheet for title code 168 solution.py. So solution, convert to title. Let's say 28. Is that it? 28 should be AB. Equals AB. Let's assert that. So we know that, let me just check. So let's see, A to Z. So I think it's for A. Yeah, this is like 65. That's the number, and then Z is 90. Okay, cool. So 90 minus 65, 25. So we know that we have like 25 letters. And so if we divide this by 25, wait, Z is 26. Okay, yeah, okay. We divide it by 25, and then we check, we use the, like it's the number of A's or B's. Okay, so let's see. Column number, let's divide this by 25. Just call it A, and the remainder B is column number, rest of the division by 25. Just go and print it and check where we are. So A is 1 and B is 3. So I'm going to subtract 1 from the column number because it starts with 1. Let's just do it like that. Column number minus equals 1. '26 should be Z. So A should be 0 and B should be, A is 1, B is 0, okay. Okay. Then I think I should not divide by 25. I think I should divide by 26. So A is 0 and B is 25. And 25, so, or so it's char of 65 is A plus 25 C. So it is char of how much? 65 plus B. You can do it like this. Okay, got it. Final string. String that is empty. And now we need to add 65 plus B to the final string. Equals final string plus, so we just add it to the end. Cool. And so while true, while true, we do this, we add it, and then column number becomes A. Becomes A. So if if A equals 0, we break because we're done. If not, column number becomes A, and we repeat the process. And it's clearly going on forever. Oh, no, actually. And 0, final string is Z. This is for the case of 26. What about 28? BB. Why? Go again. So we have a B, and now column number is 1, which should be A. I guess we need to also decrease it here. Or, yeah, the final string is BA. Should be AB. And again, it's B. That adds a B to the end. B. Return final string. Feeling confident? Submit. Okay. Memory beats 99. Runtime. Okay, let's just submit again. See if it gets better. Oh, it only got worse. Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed it. See you later.